we're going to have a discussion here about this Digget real quick. There's two things. One thing you got to watch out for is the charging system. If the posts are loose, it will not charge, and it just, yeah, it makes it look like it's in a bad situation. So the ones that come on this machine that I have were little bitty pencil posts. They were about the size of your pinky, and they're like 3/8, a little less than a half, and they need to be 5/8. So I was able to shim them and everything without getting batteries, so it is working now. Now there is another issue. If you're going to put pallet forks or something on your bucket to use in order to help pick up stuff. On my bucket, it's 1/8" material. So I have bought 1/4". It's 1/4", 40 inches wide. So I'm going to put a whole piece under there. I think it's 8 inches wide. So to reinforce it, because it should have an edge to make it to where it works better. So I just need to do this video so I can finish the one I did with the charging system the other day and got it working. Got about 20 hours on this. It's good to move stuff around when I need to. I'm also trying this headset out to see how it works. So that's where we stand on this setup right here right now. Do I regret buying it? No. But you need to make sure your charging system and battery connections are good, otherwise it does not charge properly. So I'm going to get off this one. I got to do a little few things that I should have did earlier. I'm going to be making a video pretty soon about the new quick connect I bought for that one and see how it works. So I'll edit this and everything. Well, I have a mic out here, so I'm going to see how the mic works today. Got to work on my skid steer. Here's the problem. Kind of want to show you. Let me try this from the other side. Let me turn it around. Okay. So my skid steer's over there, so I can see what's going on and I can show you. Here is the one that was on my excavator, my stand behind skid steer. It is, here's a normal one, which is about 5/8 inches opening here. This one's a little like a 1/2 inch, and it's even less on the battery. So it's a stupid little battery. Somebody's trying to change how they work. So I've got this little cone thing. It's supposed to go inside here, and I'm hoping that it will take up the slack in order to tighten up, because what I'm having a problem with is it's not staying charged because they work themselves loose. So I'm going to, these are what I'm putting on here, and I'm going to start working. So it's just a short little video to say once I get it on, we'll see how it works. I may have to slice this a little more to get it closer. I may have to open this up to get this in. It's a process of working, but then this works for the battery in there, so I can just tighten it up, taking it off, everything. So this is where we're going to start. Hopefully this mic works out better. So I've got to sit here and play with these to see what I got to do to make them work. First of all, I'm going to try to see if I can stretch these parts some and cuts. I'm going to go find me a pair of cutters because this is lead. So here's something I'm going to do. I'm going to put a notch in here so that I can get it closer together. I'm taking out a bunch. Okay, now I'm back here. Going to start working on this again. I've got to grind some more out of this. Well, I've lost the end of this video, so I took about an hour or two to get everything shimmed in and fixed, and got it working. So I'm just going to do a quick overvoice here. I got them shimmed in, got them tightened up, got everything working. So kind of just speed through this. The shims do work. I probably did it a little bit different. If the battery goes out, I can use the ones I put in there. It will work on a bigger battery. It's sad when they try to recreate the wheel. Normal battery post been working for as long as I can remember. So like and subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't get it other part on this, but it is working. It's charging, no problems, and back to what it's supposed to give up, make it easier. Like and subscribe, and any questions I'll try to answer.
Thanks.